Kitchen sink plumbing is a complex system of pipes that connects to kitchen appliances. These appliances may be installed under the kitchen flooring. Fortunately, there are easy steps to take to avoid clogging the pipes underneath the sink. This article will cover the basic plumbing requirements for your kitchen sink. Read on to learn more. Listed below are the most important things to consider before starting a new plumbing project. And remember to keep a handy reference guide handy while you're doing it. First, know your sink's vents. The vent pipe connects the two sinks to the main house drain pipe, which carries the waste to the city sewer or septic tank. If the sinks do not connect, it's possible that one of the sinks is clogged. A clogged vent pipe will spit out water into the other sink. The solution is to fix the drainage pipe. It's easy to do if you have a home plumbing repairman. If you're experiencing odors coming from the sink, you should call a plumber. Often, an odor is a sign of a blockage. Sewage gas and organic matter from your sink drain can make your kitchen smell bad. If your drain trap is running dry, it could be due to a leak in the fitting. A professional plumber will be able to diagnose the cause and make the necessary repairs. The next step in the process is to make sure you have everything necessary for plumbing your new sink. Depending on how difficult the project is, it can take an hour or two to install a new one. However, if you have all the necessary knowledge, you can do it yourself. Remember that this project can be daunting for a novice, but with proper knowledge, most people can do it. This article will walk you through the process step by step. Using a strainer basket over the sink drain will prevent clogs. Don't pour grease and coffee grounds down the drain because it can clog the pipes. If you have a clogged drain, try to use a plunger to free it. If that doesn't work, call a plumber and ask him to unclog it for you. The plumber can remove the buildup from the pipes and ensure that your sink drainage works properly. Before starting any kitchen plumbing project, you must first determine the source of the problem. The problem can be a simple pipe clog or an extensive problem. You should be able to locate the culprit if you have a clear visual of the pipe system. Make sure to check all pipes for blockages and make a rough estimate based on the size of your kitchen sink. If you are unsure of any particular plumbing process, try asking your plumber for advice. You should also consider the codes and regulations that are applicable in your local area. The International Plumbing Code, IPC, outlines the technical details that regulate the flow of water in homes. While the code is generally the same, local codes can have minor variations. If your pipes aren't code compliant, you could end up in trouble with the building inspector. In addition to hiring a plumber who understands plumbing codes and how they apply to your home, you should also check out the local building department's code and regulations. If you want to avoid costly plumbing problems, you should consider hiring a plumber to fix your kitchen sink. Drains can be clogged with grease, food particles, and other items. A plumber will be able to locate any foreign objects in your drain pipe and clear it for you. With regular maintenance, your kitchen plumbing system will ensure that you can access hot and cold water instantly and easily. You should have it checked annually, so you can be sure your system is functioning as it should. Make sure that your drain and waste system are properly connected. If you're replacing an existing sink, your drain outlet needs to be lowered to accommodate the new sink's depth. Professional remodelers can help you do this. To do this, they must cut the back of the cabinet and shave down the wall surface. Otherwise, you'll need to make several holes in the wall and remove the drain outlet to make the connection. This step can take a couple of days, but it's worth it in the end. Properly installing a kitchen sink drain is essential for a smooth running kitchen. A kitchen sink drain should be 28 inches above the floor. However, the height of your drain may vary, depending on how high your counter is and the depth of your sink bowl. If you don't know what to do, call a plumber who specializes in kitchen sink plumbing. The process is quick and easy, but it requires a professional plumber's expertise and extensive knowledge of plumbing codes.